Assalamualaikum and a very good morning, IB to all. So today we are going to explain and present to you about our Kppb DLO in semester 1. So this is our team. First of all, me, Muhammad Syabir Syahmi bin Yasmi, and then we have Ahmad Firdaus bin Abdul Hazif and Muhammad Muklis bin Ishaq.
So these are our lecturers that guide us throughout the semesters. First, we have Puan Asmah binti Arsyad, Dr. Haizah binti Harun, and Puan Ida Ruhidibah binti Bahtiar.
The first one, we are going to talk about the CLO for each subject. For the first one is language skills in social context. So in TSLB 1084, it produced a written text for social interactions using appropriate writing convention. So in order for us to have a very good writing mechanism, writing skill, we have to learn the appropriate skills in academic writing. So learning intentions. Learn to produce written text for social interactions using appropriate writing convention. As I said before, we use appropriate method to write in academic writing. Success criteria: I can produce written text for social interaction using appropriate writing convention. Last one is 6C: character, citizenship, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity.
Alright, next for contemporary social studies, TSLB 1094, CL3, evaluate communication and environmental issues in multicultural context. So we have assignment where we need to produce a digital product to explore more about the environmental issues within our region in Pulau Pinang. So when we doing the task, we get to know about the culture here and how related to the environment in order for us to become an official global citizen. Next, learning intentions, I have to evaluate communication and environmental issues in multicultural context. Success criteria, I can evaluate communication and environmental issues in multicultural context. And for 6C, character, citizenship, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity.
So the last subject we learn is learning English through the arts. GLEA 1052, the CLO, produce a written creative language work integrating form of arts using digital media. So we use digital media to form our creative written. That is digital e-brochure. So in assignment GLE 1052, we made a brochure to
spread awareness.
Yes, to spread awareness about environment, and we use the skills we learned in 1084 and our knowledge in 1094 in order to emphasize in GLEA 1052 in e-brochure. So we use that platform as our writing, and it's become an arts for us. So learning intention, I learned to produce a written creative language work integrative form of arts using digital media. I can produce a written creative language work integrating forms of art using digital media. And the 6C, character, citizenship, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity.
Next, these are DCLO that we combine together. First, TSLB 1084, CLO for produce written text for social interactions using appropriate writing conventions. TSLB 1094, CLO3, evaluate communication and environmental issues in multicultural context. And last one, GLEA 1052, CLO3, produce a written creative language work integrating forms of arts using digital media.
Next one, these are the activity that we use in each subject. So as you can see in 1084, we apply the appropriate writing skills in order to have a better writing paragraph. So we can see that we have introduction, body, and conclusion. We separate them because we want to simplify and elaborate more in the writing. So in 1094, we use digital media to spread awareness about environment in Pulau Pinang.
So next here's the model of 6Cs. First one, we have citizenship. Students are able to develop knowledge, skills, and values in the environment to become efficient global citizen. Character, to instill a sense of responsibility, integrity, and empathy in students through their writing of the world around them. Communication, students are able to convey their ideas or message effectively by using digital media.
So the next three is collaboration. Students will search for information and share with each other to help develop new knowledge in their writing. Critical thinking, students will be able to evaluate information, make the connection, and applying the meaningful knowledge in the context of the real world. Lastly, creativity, students come up with creative and innovative ideas to help them produce their writing.
So next one, we have student learning model, MEP. We learn how to learn in a proper way. Students are responsible for learning and understand the learning process. First, we have metacognitive, feedback and agency. Relationships, an important social foundation for all human beings who always need meaning and meaning in relationships with someone else. We have commonality, networking. As for aspirations, students' achievement is influenced by their expectations of self, own and perceptions of others against them, expectations and needs and interests. So the next one.
So the next one, we have structure of learning, MRP. In Malay, we call modal reka bentuk pelajaran. It is a combination of process, learning, pedagogical practice, a combination of process, practice, pedagogy, and innovative practice that new appeared is for children. And next one is learning partner. The changes, the structurally beneficial in relationship between students, teacher, parents, and the community. As for teacher, we must have a good connection among the teacher, the student, and the parents. And digital utilization, use of technology digital in practice in the classroom to drive, modify, and add value to learning. Lastly, we have learning environment, learning climate and culture, and learning environment, interactive where students are involved, active, and meaningful. So in learning environment, we create a great learning atmosphere for them to enjoy the learning and become a successful person.
So next one, the 3Es. We have 3Es stand for extend, enhance, and engage. So engagement, students participate in active social learning. Activities focus on learning goals. Enhancement, students learn through technology-rich activities where technology makes possible learning in new ways. As for the extension, students experience a natural connection between school and everyday life through technology use. So, we use technology to develop a new method of learning, perhaps by using as for nowadays, we use Kahoot for quizzes and others to make learning become more fun, and we encourage the students to learn. Yeah.
Okay, the last one, we have 3Rs, which mean rigor, relevance, and relationship. So we have 4 conjunction, which is A, acquisition, B, application, C, assimilation, and D, adaptation. So we connect these 4 conjunction in order to make our learning and our in order to make our process of learning become better and be a good teacher. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.